In a significant legal and political development, a Delhi court has given major relief to Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in the long-running National Herald case. The Enforcement Directorate's prosecution complaint has been dismissed, at least for now, dealing a serious blow to the agency's case under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. So, what exactly did the court say? Why does this order matter beyond the Gandhis? And what happens next? Let's break it down. A special court under the Prevention of Corruption Act, presided over by Judge Vishal Gogne, dismissed the Enforcement Directorate's complaint filed under the PMLA. The court ruled that ED's case was not maintainable in law because it was not based on a valid first information report or FIR. Instead, the ED had built its money laundering case on a private complaint filed by BJP leader Subramanian Swamy and the subsequent summoning orders passed by a magistrate. Under the PMLA, the existence of a scheduled or predicated offence usually established through an FIR is crucial. The court held that without this foundation, the ED could not proceed. While the judge made it clear that this does not amount to a clean sheet, the dismissal effectively stalls the ED's attempt to prosecute Sonia and Rahul Gandhi at this stage. To understand the allegation and the significance, let's revisit the ED's case. The agency alleged that Young Indian Private Limited, a company in which Sonia and Rahul Gandhi are majority shareholders, illegally took control of Associated Journals Limited or AJL, the publisher of the National Herald newspaper. According to ED, AJL owned prime real estate assets across multiple cities valued at several thousand crore rupees. The takeover, the agency claimed, was a sham transaction designed to acquire these assets without legitimate considerations, thereby constituting money laundering. On this basis, the ED filed a prosecution complaint invoking multiple provisions of the PMLA, including sections dealing with laundering of proceeds of crime and vicarious liability. The court, however, found a core legal flaw. Under the PMLA, money laundering cannot exist in isolation. There must first be proceeds of crime, meaning properly derived from a criminal offence listed in the Act's schedule. The court held that ED failed to clearly establish with proceeds of crime. Without a valid FIR, a clearly identifiable predicate offence. That way, foundation of the PMLA case collapsed. Legal experts say this order reflects a broader judicial trend. Courts are increasingly insisting that central agencies follow strict statutory requirements, especially in economic offences cases that carry serious consequences. In a parallel development, the court also ruled that Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi and other accused are not entitled to a copy of the FIR in proceedings linked to a fresh FIR registered by the Delhi Police Economics Offence Wing. This means while the ED's complaint has been dismissed, other investigative threads connected to the National Herald matter may still continue independently. Politically, the order is a clear boost for the Congress. The party has consistently argued that the National Herald case is the textbook example of political vendetta and misuse of central agencies against the opposition. This dismissal strengthens that narrative, at least for now. Institutionally, the ruling is also important. It underscores judicial concern over investigative overreach and reiterates that allegations, political optics, or public perception cannot substitute for legal evidence. For the Enforcement Directorate, the setback raises uncomfortable questions about how PMLA cases are framed and whether procedural shortcuts can survive judicial scrutiny. The legal battle is far from over. The ED has the option to challenge the dismissal before a higher court. Given the political sensitivity of the case and the agency's past approach, an appeal is widely expected. The key question will be this: can the ED cure the legal defects identified by the trial court, especially the absence of a valid predicate offence? If not, this order could become a precedent cited in future challenges to PMLA prosecutions across the country. For now, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi walk away with significant relief. But the National Herald case continues to sit at the complex intersection of law, politics, and power, where every judicial order, the consequences far beyond the courtroom.